Hello everyone. In today's video we will see the point of intersection of a curve and a straight line. Let's get started. Intersection of a straight line and a curve. We can find the coordinates of the point of intersection by solving the equation of the line and the curve simultaneously. Let's see one example. The line 3x plus y is equal to 8 intersects the curve 3x square plus y square is equal to 28 at the point A and B. Calculate the length of AB, and second, the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. As you can see that I have drawn the curve here, which is 3x square plus y square is equal to 28, and this is the straight line which cuts the curve. So now the equation of the straight line is 3x plus y is equal to 8. Now write this equation in terms of y. So move this 3x on right hand side. So y is equal to 8 minus 3x, which is our first equation. Now substituting this value of y from equation number 1 to the given curve 3x square plus y square is equal to 28. As you can see that I have substituted the value for you. Let's open the bracket here. It will be 3x square plus a minus b the whole square expansion. It will be 64 minus 48x plus 9x square is equal to 28. Now move this 28 on left hand side. 9x square plus 3x square is 12x square plus 64 minus 48x minus 28 is equal to 0. 64 minus 28. So it will be 12x square minus 48x plus 36 is equal to 0. Now divide this full equation with 12. So you will get x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now I need to factorize this. So that will be equal to x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now x is common here. It will be x minus 3 is left. Minus 1 is common. X minus 3 is left. Now it will be x minus 3 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now individually x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. This gives you x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 are your two answers. Now substituting these values of x in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is y is equal to 8 minus 3x. Now let's substitute the value here. So it will be y equal to 8 minus 3 and 1. So it will be y is equal to 8 minus 3, which is equals to 5. Now here it will be 8 minus 3 bracket 3. So it will be 8 minus 9. So that is equals to minus 1. So the point A will become 1, 5 and B will become 3 minus 1. Now first I need to find out the length of AB. Length of AB is given by root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now let's substitute the values here. It will be root of x2 minus x1 3 minus 1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 5 the whole square. That is equals to 2 square plus minus 6 the whole square, which is equals to 4 plus 36, which is equals to root of 40, which can be written as root of 4 multiplied by 10. So root of 4 is 2. So our answer will be 2 root 10 units. Now to find out the perpendicular bisector of AB, I need to first get the slope of AB and the midpoint of AB. So the point A is 1, 5, B is 3 minus 1. So the slope of AB is given by y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 5 over x2 minus x1 3 minus 1. Now let's solve this here. It will be minus 6 over 2. So it will got cancelled and it will be 3. So it will be negative 3. Now midpoint of AB is given by x1 plus x2 by 2. So that is equals to 3 plus 1 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 minus 1 plus 5 by 2. So it will be 4 over 2 and it will be 4 over 2. So that will be equal to 2, 2. Now slope of the perpendicular line M2 is given by minus 1 over M1. Let's substitute the value here. It will be minus 1 over M1. M1 is equal to minus 3. So that is equals to 1 over 3. Now the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 and the slope 1 by 3 is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Let's substitute the values here. It will be y minus y1. y1 is 2. That is equals to m. m is equal to 1 over 3. X minus x1 is 2. Now multiply this full equation with 3 as we have 3 in the denominator. So it will be 3y minus 6 is equal to x minus 2. Now move the 6 on right hand side. It will be 3y is equal to x minus 2 plus 6. So it will be 3y is equal to x plus 4. That will be your equation of line. Let's see one more example. A straight line of gradient 3 is drawn through the point 2 minus 2 on the curve y is equal to 3x square minus 7x. Find the coordinates of the point at which the line meets the curve again. As you can see that I have drawn the curve here, y is equal to 3x square minus 7x, and this is the straight line which has the slope m is 3 and the point A is 2 minus 2. So I need to find out the second point where it will cut the curve again. So that is the point B, X, Y, which I have to figure it out. Now to find the second coordinate, first we have to find out the equation of the line. So we can do the intersection of the straight line and the curve. So the equation of a straight line with slope 3 and passing through the point 2 minus 2 is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Let's substitute the values here. It will be y minus y1 is minus 2 is equal to m is 3 bracket x minus x1 is 2. Now it will be y plus 2 is equal to 3x minus 6. Now move this 2 on right hand side. It will be y equal to 3x minus 6 minus 2. So it will be y is equal to 3x minus 8. Now this will be your first equation. Intersection of the line y is equal to 3x minus 8 and the curve y is equal to 3x square minus 7x is given by, now equating the y values. So it will be 3x minus 8 is equal to 3x square minus 7x. Now move this 8 and 3x on right hand side. It will be 3x square minus 7x minus 3x plus 8 is equal to 0. So that will be equal to 3x square minus 10x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now I need to factorize this. So if I multiply a and c, it will be 24. So if I do the factors of here, it will be 2, 2, 2 and 3. Now I need to take the combination in such a way that so that I should get 10. So I pick 3 times 2 will give me 6 and 2 times 2 will give me 4. So it will be written as 3x square minus 6x minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now take out common from here. It will be 3x will be common from here. So it will be x minus 2 and minus 4 is common here. So it will be x minus 2 here. So in both the parts x minus 2 is common and 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So individually x minus 2 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So it will be x is equal to 2 and it will be 3x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 over 3. These are the two values for x. Now substituting these values of x in equation number 1. So when x is equal to 2, our equation is 3x minus 8. Let's substitute the value here. It will be 3 bracket 2 minus 8. So it will be 6 minus 8. So it will be equal to minus 2. Now if I substitute x is equal to 4 by 3, the equation will become 3 bracket 4 over 3 minus 8. So that is equals to 12 over 3 minus 8. Now let's take the LCM here. It will be 12 minus 24 over 3. So that is equals to minus 12 over 3. That is equals to minus 4. So our coordinate A will become 2 minus 2. And B will become 4 by 3 minus 4. Now 2 minus 2 is the same as the given coordinate. So our coordinates of B will become 4 by 3 minus 4. Now let's see one more example. A straight line through the point 0 minus 3 intersects the curve x square plus y square minus 27x plus 41 is equal to 0 at 2, 3. Calculate the coordinates of the point at which the line again meets the curve. As you can see that I have drawn the curve for you and this is the straight line which is passing through the point A 0 minus 3. Now this line cuts the curve at 2 points. So the first point is 2, 3 which has given to you, and the second point which you have to figure it out. Now to find out the unknown coordinate C, first I have to find out the equation of the line AB. So the line passing through the point A 0 minus 3 and the B 2, 3 is given by. So to get the equation of the line, first I need to get the slope of the line. So the slope of the line AB is given by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's solve this here. So it will be y2. So it will be 3 minus of minus 3 over x2 is 2 minus 0. So it will be 3 plus 3 over 2 which is equals to 6 over 2 which is equals to 3. Now the equation of the line passing through A 0, 3 and the slope 3 is given by y minus y1. y1 is minus of minus 3, that is equals to m is equal to 3 bracket x minus x1 is 0. So it will be y plus 3 is equal to 3x. Move this 3 on right hand side, it will be 3x minus 3. That will be your equation of the line. Now we have to see the intersection of the line y is equal to 3x minus 3 and the curve. So let's substitute the value of y from 1 to equation number 2. So I substituted the value, as you can see that. Let's open the bracket here. So it will be x square plus a minus b the whole square expansion. It will be 9x square minus 18x plus 9 minus 27x plus 41 is equal to 0. So your equation of the line x square plus 9x square will give you 10x square, minus 18x minus 27x will give you minus 45x, 9 and 41 will add up and will give you 50. So your equation of line will become 10x square minus 45x plus 50 is equal to 0. Now divide this full equation with 5. So it will be 2x square minus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now I need to multiply a and c, which will give you 20. As you can see that I made the factors here. So the factors are 2, 2 and 5. Now I need to multiply in such a way that I should get 9. So I took 5 and 2 times 2, 4. So that will be written as x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 10 is equal to 0. So from here x is common here. It will be 2x minus 5. And from here minus 2 is common. So it will be 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now here it will be 2x minus 5 and bracket x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now individually 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here it will be 2x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 over 2. Now from here x is equal to 2. These are the two values of x. Now substituting these values of x in equation number 1. Our equation is 3x minus 3. Let's substitute the first value, x is equal to 2 here. So it will be 3 bracket 2 minus 3. That will be equal to 6 minus 3, which is equals to 3. Now let's substitute 5 by 2. So y will become 3 bracket 5 by 2 minus 3. That is equals to 15 over 2 minus 3. Let's take the LCM here. It will be 15 minus 6 over 2, which is equals to 9 by 2. So our first coordinate will become B will become 2, 3 and C will become 5 by 2, 9 by 2. So the B coordinate is the same as given to you. So C coordinate 5 by 2, 9 by 2 will be our second coordinate which will cut the curve. So the coordinates of C are given by 5 by 2, 9 by 2, or you can write down 2, 1 by 2 and 4, 1 by 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.